I feel great anxiety and need to get away from my room, so I decided to head to Manhattan Beach for some fresh air. I start collecting stones and shells from the beach because it gives me positive energy. As I do this, I notice a bird working tirelessly to feed herself, undeterred by the waves crashing around her. In that moment, I realize I'm not the only one working hard to feed myself. All creatures do what they must to survive. I sit on the sand and reflect on my life. I realize that life is very short and it's not worth spending it in sadness. I decide then to take a trip to North Carolina to visit a friend. The flight takes 6 hours and 23 minutes, but I know it will be worth it. The drive from the airport to Charlotte takes a while, but I enjoy every moment, the views and the fresh air. As we drive, I fall in love with the nature around me. The empty road mirrors the emptiness I sometimes feel in my heart. And yet, in that emptiness, I find peace. The wildflowers teach me that there is distance between everything, even planets. Despite this, they still bloom beautifully. I found myself falling in love with this place, especially the flowers and the peaceful atmosphere. Each vibrant color and delicate beauty make me feel alive. I start appreciating God's creation in a way I never have before, noticing the little things I used to overlook. While filming, I met two lovely companions, Luna and Carrot. Luna, the older one, is always exhausted, but Carrot, full of energy, invites me to play. We played together for an hour, but Carrot still wants to play. Oops. Eventually, she gets thirsty and starts drinking from the bird's water bowl. The two of them follow me everywhere, even to the swimming pool. It feels as if Luna and Carrot sense my heart and are giving me a joyful, unforgettable time. Eventually, it is time to return home. I feel deeply grateful for every moment I spent in this wonderful place with my new friends, Carrot and Luna. It is an experience I will never forget. Goodbye for now.